Hey YouTube, quick little video here. I want to show you the latch off of the Suburban. Now, should you ever have your door and this part seize up on you while it's closed, you don't have this available to look at. And if you look online, it seems like everyone has this dilemma when the door is open. That makes it much easier. You can pry this and you can actually access this. In my case, the door got shut and I couldn't see any of this. I was lucky enough to have the spare door so I could take this off and get a good look at this and see what I was working with behind that panel. Now, when it's locked, you'll notice that that little hole on the bottom disappears. So down, it's locked. And then this doesn't do anything. And if you can work this lock up like that, you get that little hole. And if your handle's not working, you take your screwdriver, work it in there, and you can force pull it down. That's what worked for me. It would have saved me a lot of time to be able to just see that online, but I couldn't find anything. So hopefully this helps you, and if you don't have that spare door to look at and see what you're working with, this is, the best I can give you. Just look for a part in your latch that supersedes all of the different levers that connect the handles. Get a screwdriver, pull down, pop up. Different vehicles might work differently, or they might all work pretty similarly. So hopefully this helps. Like, subscribe, share. We appreciate it, and we'll catch you next time.